Welcome back to another unboxing video. If you haven't seen part one, you're going to want to see part one. It's just called Unboxing Random Stuff. We're going to start off with the Dude Perfect game. Parker's going crazy. So, here's what the board looks like.
Okay. This might be all.
This might be like 2 minutes.
Just to do the whole.
This is
Whoa.
this is what the board looks like.
That's a big board.
There's Wheel Unfortunate, if you know what Dude Perfect is. I'm not going to show you everything, I'll just talk about it. There's all the characters, there's cards, there's sport things like basketball, golf, football, something else. There's Golden Boys. It's basically, what is that called? Don't hate me in the comments, comment down below. It's, overtime. It's basically Dude Perfect Overtime. Okay, that
was quick.
Yeah. Next, a really common game, but it's not Hungry Hippos. Couldn't find it, okay? Don't yell at me. We only have Hungry Turtles. Put all the hates in the comments. I don't really care.
Guys, I know what Hungry Hippo is. What's the jacket?
Here are all the files.
Wow.
And here's all the characters.
And then I'll be back in that.
Parker's going somewhere. I don't know what he's doing. I'm going to grab the next thing. These are two things that have not been out of the wrapper yet. We're going to do the board game first after Parker comes back. So what do you guys want to talk about? Good grass. Oh, he's coming back. We're going to talk about green grass.
Come on, Parker.
Okay, next thing. Guess in 10.
How'd you not open this?
You don't want to know. This might take a minute. Oh, that was actually kind of easy. Guess in 10. No idea what this is.
It's a game.
Oh, this is sick.
It's like a game.
Oh, it's like a clue. It's like a clue game. There's clue cards. Why is there like
It's
two?
called Guess in 10, so you get 10.
Oh, you get 10 seconds to answer.
No, you get guess. You get 10 guesses.
Oh.
That's how.
Where's the top box? Oh, guys.
Guys, I'm getting the next box.
What is it? Oh, we're getting in the... Wait, Parker, no, we still have this.
Oh, yeah. Let's do it.
Next thing is, this is my mom's. I don't know what this is.
It's something for like
I think it's like,
card.
yeah, like happy cards.
I looked on the bottom and it looks like actual like cards like you open.
Oh, like you're awesome. It says like you're awesome.
Yeah.
Technical difficulties.
Guys, our last video will be the best one. If we even have a last video.
If we probably will if I can't open this thing.
I can grab some scissors. I know how to open it.
I got it.
Okay. I'm not grabbing scissors. You pull it down, Mason.
I am. Okay, we got it. After 20 years. Sabby, can you take this?
Sometimes they're just joking around.
Okay. You're awesome. I'm not opening this thing.
Yeah, we're just gonna show you guys.
So, like, see how much happy cards there are.
That's a lot.
That's part 3, sports cards. Go watch it.